The preschool advisor, Miss Emily, and boys and girls of main campus together with the crowd.
This memorable occasion is the latest of this institute learning in business high school courses as we significantly mark the opening on the knowledge and skills you have gained from your beloved. This is difficult milestone in your academic life. You are my greatest source of pursuit, also celebration of your dedication and survival. The cornerstone of your children's solid motivation for your children to your parents, for trusting your children to educate love for learning and a spirit of inquiry. So the core values of the school, most importantly, again, for our dear kindergarten teachers, that this is just the beginning, but also the beginning that we teach you other again for another school year 2000, Mondays to Fridays, from 7:30 to 4:30. The 36th kindergarten is the kindergarten curriculum prescribed by the 36th kindergarten boys completed the kindergarten curriculum prescribed by the Red Department.
Mrs. Joyce and our learners, teachers, and you teachers help us out to have all our needs. That you are so kind to me. I'm because for our hard work. Today